Senate President, request for confirmation of appointment of chairman and members of the governing board of the Southwest Development Commission. Senator Olubumi Adetumbi, chairman. Dr. Charles Akanji Akinola, managing director. Osun State. Bolaji Idris Ariyo, Lagos State. Joseph Akin Olubenga, Ekiti State. Honorable Scholastica Olanike Oluwolera, Osun State. Oluwa Muyiwa Timothy Olabinton, Ogun State. Dr. Adewinle Olayinde Martins, Ondo State. Dr. Ibrahim Adeniyi Olaifa, Oyo State. Honorable Kabiru Ado Lakwaya, Northwest. Rear Admiral Abdul Bio Adamu, Northeast. Mr. Arinola Fagwemi, North Central. Ukoha Inyekwere, Southeast. Engineer Orwell Ihenacho, South. Olusegun Joshua Olufehinti, Executive Director Projects for Ondo State. Tele Ogunjobi, Executive Director Finance from Ogun State. Fumilayo Teju Osho, Executive Director Corporate Services from Lagos State. Fatai Ibikunle, Executive Director Commercial and Environmental Development from Oyo State, and Araji Ajiyola, Executive Director Social and Human Capital Development from Ekiti State. While hoping that the request will receive the usual expeditious constitution of the Senate, please accept the Senior Senate President and the Senior Senators the assurances of my highest considerations. Yours sincerely, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.